Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, you deserve superior indoor comfort and energy efficiency. You can count on Modern Services to provide you with quality air conditioning services that keep your family and your workforce cool. We've been the go-to source for 5-star AC services in 9 Southwest Florida counties for more than 50 years. And we're confident we can help you. From AC installation and maintenance to repair and replacement, we do it all. We service any make and model, offer 24/7 emergency services, and provide free equipment replacement quotes, all while offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Simply put, we aren't happy until you're happy. Are you ready to discover the benefit of hiring an experienced, professional AC service company? Contact us today to request an appointment or service quote.